Everybody, welcome back. Dr. Blumenthal here with you, Natural Transplants here in the DC office, and thrilled to welcome back Devin. You may recognize, or you may not, but Devin joined us about a year ago. He looked a little different back then. He's got a lot more hair now, but you're back, Devin, man. You look great. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Yeah.
No, it worked out really well. You're right, about a year ago.
Yeah.
I didn't know what to expect. I had a lot of calls and took a bit making a final decision to go with you all.
Yep.
And it was great. I think as you and I have discussed, the one thing people should know is that it's involved.
It's a real surgery. Yeah, it's a real deal. Yeah. You were a little shocked at sort of the post-op swelling and the size of the scar and all that sort of stuff, and that was a little bit of a shock to you. Yep.
It was, but there was no pain. I was fine, and look, it is. I had very deep sort of alleys here, and it's turned out really nicely.
Yeah.
I comb it. It feels great.
Looks great.
I'm really happy with how it turned out.
Yeah. You definitely that island that you had is now a bigger continent, and you look a lot younger. You look a lot younger. It looks really good.
Right. No,
looks good.
More confident. I like it.
Awesome.
And, people make comments too, and they think it looks good. And,
Very
whether
good.
they know I had the procedure done or not.
Right. Looks fantastic. Well,
happy.
do me a favor. We're going to overlay the before pictures on you, but just kind of put your head down like that and just hold it for 2 or 3 seconds. Awesome. And then look at me straight, and then hang out. Either take a left or a right. Look left or right. Hold it for 2 or 3. Beautiful. And then other way. Perfect. Awesome. Love it. No issues in the back. You'd mentioned this. The scar in the back. No problems from that standpoint. Good.
Scar in the back. When you first have it, it does get a little itchy when it's trying to heal. But from now, you don't feel it. I don't even know it's there. I've cut my hair pretty short since, and nobody is even. My wife can't see it.
That's great, man.
Good.
I love it. Well, congratulations. Welcome to family. You did great. Can be a little bit of a journey throughout that first year, but you got through it, and it looks fantastic. And so happy for you. Looks really good.
Great.
Awesome,
Thanks
Devin.
so much.
Appreciate you doing this. Take care.
Yep.
Bye.
All right, bye-bye.
Take the first step to better hair. Call 844-327-4247 to schedule your free virtual consultation.